Hello. The March 2022 release of the Xeris Management System, XMS Cloud, is now available. This new release includes support for the XE5-8 Wi-Fi 6E high-density access point, a 2-month trial CN-Matrix switch license subscription, support for the CN-Matrix TX2012R-P switch, increased visibility into CN-Matrix client devices, new Poe Usage Widgets on the dashboard and in reports, flexibility with more options when selecting the firmware version you need running on your devices, and more. This release adds support for the 5-radio high-density XE5-8 Wi-Fi 6E access point. The XE5-8 is the highest performance Wi-Fi solution in the industry, with 5 user radios capable of servicing up to 2,500 clients and with 15.6 gigabits per second total Wi-Fi bandwidth. One radio is a 2.4 gigahertz radio. 2 radios are 5 gigahertz radios, and 2 radios are software definable radios. They can be configured as 5 gigahertz radios to match today's client mix of 11AC and 5 GHz 11AX clients. In the future, when your client mix matures to include mostly 6 GHz clients, you can change the 2 software programmable radios to 6 GHz radios. This feature allows you to deploy a solution that matches today's client mix and be prepared to accommodate future 6 GHz clients without the need to replace APs with only 5 GHz radios. XMS Cloud supports full configuration and management of the XE5-8, including the software-defined radio configuration between 5 GHz and 6 GHz on 2 of the 5 radios. To configure the radios on the XE5-8 Wi-Fi 6 access point, on the My Network page, go to Access Points, locate the XE5-8 access point, and click the View Details button. On the flyout window, click the Radios button, and you will now be able to configure the radios on the XE5-8. For customers who are evaluating Cambium CN-Matrix switches, XMS Cloud now offers a 2-month CN-Matrix switch trial license without the need for assistance from Cambium licensing or support teams. Convert the trial license to a permanent license by purchasing and applying the appropriate subscription. Otherwise, the switch license slot will expire after 2 months. To add a trial switch to your account, on the My Network page, go to Switches, and then click Add Remove. Click the Add Trial Switch button, and then enter the switch serial number and click Add to Account. This release adds support for the CN-Matrix TX2012R-P tower switch. In addition, visibility has been added into the device type plugged into a given switch port. When you go to the My Network Switches page, select a switch by clicking on the model number and then hover your mouse over any of the active switch ports. The type of device that is plugged into the switch port is displayed along with other information. When you click on the switch port, the flyout window reveals the client type. You can click the link for the client, and you will be redirected to the client's page where you will get more information on the client plugged into that switch port. This release adds the capability of monitoring and reporting on the average PoE usage over time. A new page has been added to the switch statistics page, a new widget has been added to the dashboard, and a new page has been added in reports. You can review a connected device's PoE consumption over time by going to the My Network Switches page and clicking on the host name of a switch to reveal the switch flyout window. Then go to the Statistics page, and you are now able to monitor the PoE consumption over the last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. A PoE usage widget can be added to the dashboard by clicking Add Widget and selecting the average PoE usage for switches widget and clicking Add. This will display a graph with the average PoE usage for all of your switches over a period of time. The same PoE usage widget has been added to the reports. To add the widget to a report, go to Reports and create a new report. Give the report a name and click Add Page. Click the drop-down next to Widget and select which average PoE usage. Select a time range and click Save. Click the Print button to review the PoE average usage report. When managing firmware versions and upgrades, you are able to select the software version from a drop-down window that contains a comprehensive list of previous software versions. To select the software version that you need, go to your account profile and Settings and Firmware Upgrades. For upgrade type, select Manual Upgrades, and then go to the device that you need to upgrade, and next to Versions Available, click the drop-down list where you will be able to select the software version that you need running on your devices. Okay, this concludes this short video highlighting the newest features available in the latest release of XMS Cloud. Thank you for your time and have a great day.